Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. I said exhale. Why are you laughing? What?
Sabot na yan ang alita.
Talk in English. I don't understand you. Not so funny. You're drooling. Hey, keep your nose hole closed. Hey, are you really alright? I think you are not. Do you need a doctor? Do you want me to call some help? You're crying already. You're crying. I said close your nose hole. That's just too much laugh, I guess. Inhale. Breathe, breathe, breathe. What? How was your cheeks?
Still hurts a little.
What? I don't hear you.
Still hurts a little.
A little?
Still hurts a little.
Why does it hurt?
I can stop smiling.
What? I can't hear you.
Kasakit. It hurts so much. I think I need to sleep.
Hey. Hey. Mom will get mad if you're not gonna finish your homework. Uy. You're just writing, you know.